This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cindy Burdick, Realtor, SFR. Beautiful, attached villa features an open floor plan, high ceilings, and plant shelves. Eat-in kitchen with a large window, granite counters, and newer stainless steel appliances. Split bedroom plan with spacious owner's suite with walk-in closet. Newer interior paint, new furniture, and washer and dryer. The front entry is screened for the breezes. There are tile floors in main living area and carpet in bedrooms. Ceiling fans with remotes and new air conditioner in 2020. Electric hurricane shutters on lanai, and manual shutters on windows. Pocket sliders from the great room open to the extended screened lanai to enjoy the view of the landscaped area with a bonus, fenced inside yard. Plus there is a 2-car garage. Reflection Lakes is a highly desirable, active, gated community with low HOA fees and includes many amenities with clubhouse, fitness center, community pool and amp, kiddie pool, Har-Tru tennis courts, pickleball courts, sand volleyball, play area, sidewalks, and it's pet friendly. Walk to the clubhouse. Fantastic location close to beaches, shopping, baseball stadiums, entertainment, Lakes Park, and RSW International Airport. This is a great value. Hurry with your showing. For more information, review the details below.